Dun, da, da, da. Project Extreme Volcano is finally completed. Just got done installing and testing the 8 scale Red Cat system. 80 amp ESC, 15 kilogram metal servo from Tower Pro, and 8 scale motor. It's a 2574 kV with just a 2-cell LiPo that I just got. This is my first one of this brand too. It's the 7.4 25C 3300 milliamp. So how about I just flip this baby on, give you guys just a quick action shot. I know the fan's loud, it's irritating, but for the deal that I got, well, I don't know if you got that, but it just did. Try doing a backflip on a 2S. Oh there, buddy. Sorry, trying to... My steering's still a little messed up. My steering servo. Anyways, there you go.